CFA Access Scholarship applications have officially opened up again, so let's talk about it. Here is everything you need to know about the requirements, deadlines, and how to apply for the CFA Access Scholarship. Welcome back to Wall Street Notes. So let's talk about why the CFA Access Scholarship is so useful. Well, what it essentially does is it lowers the cost for registration for the exam. So for example, if you're taking the CFA Level I and this is the first time that you're enrolling into the CFA exams, you have to start off by paying a one-time enrollment fee, which is around $350. And on top of that, you have to pay a registration fee, which is $900 if you registered early or $1,200 if you did standard registration. So what the CFA Access Scholarship does is if you get the scholarship, you don't have to pay any enrollment fee because it's waived, and the registration fee is lowered to only $250. So this is a very good opportunity, and if you're thinking of applying, you have to go straight to the CFA Institute website and fill out the application that is called the CFA Program Access Scholarship Application. I've linked it below in the description, but before you go and apply, let's talk about the evaluation criteria, which are the things that the CFA Institute is going to be looking for in your application. One of the first criteria that they will be looking for in your application is that you demonstrate a financial need. What that means is that you have to explain in your application your financial condition or a financial situation that you find yourself in that is not allowing you to pay the full registration fee for the exam, and that without the scholarship, you will not be able to find the funds to sit for the exam. So for example, if you are still in university or you're still a student and you don't have a full-time job, you're in a very good position to apply for a scholarship like this one. Some other points that they will be looking at are your professional experience, your academic experience, and your accomplishments. So in your application, you do have to show that you have experience in finance, and if you don't, that you have a very strong interest in pursuing a career in finance. And you can use your academic performance or some accomplishments or some awards to back up those statements. An example would be if you are interested in pursuing the CFA charter and you want to take all 3 exams, that would be something important to note in your application. So apart from those points, those are the main ones, but they are also taking other things into account, such as what contributions you have made to your community, as well as some personal characteristics that help the CFA Institute know that you are a strong candidate. With that said, there is a deadline to apply for the CFA Access Scholarship, which is October 18th, 2022, and that's next Tuesday. So make sure that if you are interested in applying, to fill out your application and have it submitted by October 18th. I leave you the link to the CFA Institute website so that you guys can apply for the scholarship over there. And if you have any questions, please comment down below, give this video a like if you found it useful, and don't forget to subscribe to Wall Street Notes so that you do not miss any more CFA updates. And that's it for today. We'll see you in the next video.